Jai Srimanarayana. 8th sloka of 18th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Dukkhamityeva yat karma kaya klesa भयात् त्यजेत् सकृत्वा राजसं त्यागम् नैव त्याग फलं लभेत्। Om. On account of fear of bodily pain, on account of fear of bodily strain, on account of fear of bodily discomfort, if you are feeling like not performing sacrifices, Vedic yajnas, tapas and charities, that means you are under the influence of rajasic quality, which will never elevate you to any kind of heights in spiritual path. Get rid of rajasic quality. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall not feel any kind of fear of my bodily discomfort and renounce Vedic yajnas, charities and tapas. Ho Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey all your orders. Please make me as your best instrument. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupetamupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hridayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Om haraye namaha. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamo 10th Skandham 368th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, oh Parikshit Narendra, all the Brahmanas, they were regretting because they were not able to have Krishna Darshanam. They are saying, they are thinking like this: we are the one who used to teach Jnanam to others, but our Jnanam did not come into use for us. What a surprise! Paramatma Sriman Narayana is the one who gives us Aishwaryam. Sriman Narayana is the one who gives us Atma Sakshatkaram, self-realization. Sriman Narayana is the one who gives us Paramapada Dhamam. Such great Sriman Narayana, Supreme Paramatma, asked us, begged us to give him some food. We did not recognize that, we did not realize that. Hitva anyan bhajateyam shrihi padasparsha asayasa krit svatma dosha apavargena tatyachna jana mohini. Sakshat Sri Mahalakshmi Devi, when she came out from the ocean, Milky Ocean, she did not even look at Brahma and other devatas. Directly she went to Sriman Narayana because she is craving to do Padasparsa, Padaseva of Sriman Narayana. And ever since then, she is not living even for a second separate from Sriman Narayana and doing his seva. That is Sriman Narayana, the one who is even wanted by, craved by Sakshat Sri Mahalakshmi Devi. Now that Sriman Narayana begged food from us. But we did not realize that. Maya masked our Jnanam. We thought the yajnam that we are performing is the main thing. But this yajnam, these mantras, these ingredients, all these things, and also including us, everything is under control of Sriman Narayana. Such Paramatma Sayeva Bhagavan Sakshat Vishnuhu Yogeswareswaraha Jataha Yadushu. Such Devadeva Supreme Yogeswareswara Sri Mahavishnu, born in this Yaduvamsam, that we know that. But we did not realize that this Sri Krishna is that Sri Mahavishnu. Like that, all the Brahmanas were regretting for the mistake that they have committed. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Haraye Namaha. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 18th chapter, 8th sloka. Dukkha mityeva yat karma kaya klesha bhayatyajet sakrutva rajasam tyagam naiva tyaga phalam labhet. Dukkha-mityeva yat karma kaya klesha bhayatyajet sakrutva rajasam tyagam naiva tyaga phalam labhet. Sriman Narayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.